Good morning friends, welcome to Sharma Tech. So today's topic is a full gaming PC build under 4.2 lakh rupees in India in September 2021. So let's start with the first component. The Lian PC011 Dynamic is by far the best and most satisfying enclosure I've put my money in. Definitely worth it. This is my first build using the Lian PC011 Dynamic. The first was the non-Razer edition, which is $30 less. Lian Li's latest case offering, the PC011 Dynamic, is a gorgeous chassis with large tempered glass pane. The Lian Li 011D Mini has excellent airflow for such a compact chassis. With up to 9 fans to install, it's possible to create considerable airflow within the PC case to help keep internal temperatures low. Here is the second component. The AMD Ryzen 9 5900X is an absolute monster of a CPU, bringing the biggest gen-on-gen jump in single-core performance in years, which helps make the processor stronger across the board. The best part? You don't even need a new motherboard. Thanks to the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X and the rest of the Ryzen 5000 series, there might be a new champion for the best processor for gaming. But the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X may have changed all that. This CPU might just be the best available option. Here is the third component. The Asus ROG Strux X570E Gaming is more of a power user board than a gamer. But compared to competing models, its lower price and robust feature set makes it easy to recommend among early X570 offerings. While a few of ASUS's X570 models are doubled up with Wi-Fi enabled and those without, the Strux X570F keeps the core layout, but without the cost-laden features such as Wi-Fi 6 and a 2.5G NIC. It's time for number 4th component. The Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3080 Ti Trinity gives relish ultra performance in the latest game titles and amplify your gaming experience. It's that time again. A new high-end graphics card is always exciting and something to look forward to. Launching alongside the GeForce RTX 3080 Ti Founders Edition are a plethora of partner cards including the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3080 Ti Amp Holo that we've got on hand right here. That name's a bit of a mouthful, so we'll call it the RTX 3080 Ti Holo from here on. Features: 2nd Gen Ray Tracing cores, 3rd Gen Tensor cores, Spectra 2.0 RGB lighting, Ice Storm 2.0 advanced cooling, active fan control with freeze fan stop, metal front plate and RGB LED backplate, Firestorm utility VR ready. It's time for the 5th component. The XPG Spectrex D60G DDR4 memory kit proved to be the best performer in our gaming tests on both Intel and AMD platforms. The memory kit is no slouch in terms of general performance either, although the results show that the memory kit performs slightly better on Intel than on AMD. The XPG Spectrex D60G features a unique dual RGB light strip design that gives it the largest RGB surface area of any memory module. What's more, it sports a wide frequency range from 3000 to 4133 MHz and supports Intel XMP 2.0 profiles for easy overclocking. It's the 6th component. The WD Blue 3D is a very competitive SSD. It also includes excellent software. Those utilities tend to be one-time use, or in most situations not really required, but they are nice to have. The WD Blue SSD is faster than any regular hard drive and you can write a ton of data to it before it wears out. The WD Blue 3D NAND SATA SSD uses a tiered caching structure to improve write performance and endurance. The tiered caching structure is a pool of X1 blocks which are used as write cache to accumulate and consolidate all writes at high speed. It's time for number 7. The Cooler Master V850 volts 2 Gold can support a power-hungry RTX 3090 if you can find and afford one. It achieves high overall performance, and its platform is efficient enough to save you money on electricity bills. With a bit higher performance, it could be included in our best PSUs article. It's time for 8th component. When it comes to keeping overclocked CPU load temperatures in check, it's the new chilling champ. As the 360 variant of our previously reviewed Master Liquid ML240R RGB, the newly available Master Liquid ML360R adds 33% more radiator surface area for even more cooling prowess. The Cooler Master Liquid ML360R RGB is one of those few. When it comes to keeping overclocked CPU load temperatures in check, it's the new chilling champ. As the 360 variant of our previously reviewed Master Liquid ML240R RGB, the newly available Master Liquid ML360R adds 33% more radiator surface area for even more cooling prowess. The result? It cools even better than the mighty NZXT. It's time for the number 9 component. The G213 gaming keyboard features Logitech G McDome keys that are specially tuned to deliver a superior tactile response and overall performance profile similar to a mechanical keyboard. McDome keys are full height, deliver a full 4mm travel distance, 50 grams actuation force, and a quiet sound operation. It's time for the 10th component. The Logitech G502 Hero is a very good mouse for FPS games. It has low click latency and a wide customizable CPI range and adjustable polling rate. It also has several programmable buttons, feels very well made, and is quite comfortable if you can get a good grip on it. The Logitech G502 Hero is, to the best of my knowledge, the best gaming mouse for most players. This large, ergonomic, customizable mouse gets just about everything right, from physical design to software options to optional features. The wireless Logitech G604 Lightspeed is a better mouse than the wired Logitech G502 Hero, but the G502 will be better for gaming. The G604 has more side buttons and is very comfortable to use, while on the other side, the G502 is slightly better built and features RGB lighting. It's time for the last component. LG UltraGear 27-inch delivers a very smooth and responsive gaming experience. It has a 144Hz refresh rate that you can overclock up to 160Hz and an exceptional response time, so fast motion looks clear with almost no visible ghosting. Also, screen tearing is minimal thanks to its native FreeSync support and G-Sync compatibility. The LG UltraGear 27GB 650FB is a good 1080p, 144Hz IPS monitor with great gaming performance. It has an excellent response time resulting in clear motion, a black frame insertion feature to reduce motion blur, a low input lag, and a fast refresh rate. LG has a new 160Hz 4K monitor to behold, the LG UltraGear 27GP950. It's an update of the already awesome LG 27GB 950. But that's not all. LG's new screens for Case 2021 include a new 34-inch 160Hz ultrawide model, a 32-inch OLED display, and a 40-inch 5K 2K monitor. HDR is definitely worth it in a monitor, as long as graphics are your primary concern. Most high-end monitors support it, along with a number of mid-range ones. However, HDR is not supported by that many games yet, nor is it supported by TN panels. The LG 27GL850's 27-inch display feels wide and spacious thanks to its thin bezels. This also makes it a good fit for multi-monitor setups, though as a flat panel you won't get the same wrap-around effect that multiple curved monitors offer. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram for latest tech updates.